In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a debit card for the first time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the general steps that you have to do to properly activate any debit card that you have. Keep in mind that for this video, sadly, I cannot give you specific instructions for every single card out there. The activation process is going to differ for every single card issuer. However, I'm still going to give you instructions that will guide you in the correct direction. Now, the main way to activate your card is always going to be listed whenever you receive it. So in this example here, as you can see, you must activate this card by calling this number. So if you received a physical card, always look for instructions on how to do it on the letter that you received. Usually it is going to be printed directly on the card, or it can be a sticker. It can also be written on the letter itself. And all that you have to do in that case is follow the instructions listed. So call a specific number, download a mobile app, or in some cases you will have to activate the card by going over to any ATM, setting up a PIN, and then loading up the card with balance. As long as you follow the instructions listed, you will be good to go. And like I mentioned, I apologize for not being able to give you specific instructions for your card issuer. But by looking at the letter that you received your physical card with, you will always be able to determine the proper activation method. Now, another popular way to activate cards nowadays is through mobile apps. So in this example here, this Bank of America debit card must be activated through the app. So whenever you receive a physical card, you can just follow the instructions on the letter like I mentioned, and if they tell you to download a mobile app, go over to the App Store for iOS devices or iPhones, and then the Play Store for Android devices. Download the mobile app and sign into your account using your standard bank credentials. In there, you can find the option to manage your cards, so you will see all of your accounts. When you choose a specific card, you will be able to see the details and then the activation options. Just include the necessary details. Usually it is going to ask you for all of the digits on the card or the digits on the back, and after you include them, the card will be available to be managed through your dashboard. So the primary way is always going to be by calling a specific number or setting it up through an ATM. However, a lot of cards nowadays will ask you to finish setting them up through the mobile app. So just follow the instructions according to your specific card issuer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use debit card for the first time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.